Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Drive token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Drive launched in January 2024. Drive is a decentralized protocol designed for trading options, perpetuals and structured products on chain, built on the OP stake. Drive combines scalability, low transaction cost, and Ethereum security to deliver a high-performance trading environment. Drive aims to simplify access to advanced financial investment through decentralized infrastructure. It offers portfolio margin, cross margin, and multi-assets collateral capabilities, providing traders with capital efficiency and flexibility. The platform is governed by the Drive DAO, where DRV token holders manage protocol upgrade, trading fees, and liquidity incentives. Drive token total supply is 1.5 billion and circulating supply is around 737.52 million. Drive token is listed on Gate.io, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.